Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe. If you love such videos, make sure that you click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So today I'm going to show you all the 46th annual cake show which is taking place in Bengaluru. So we just arrived the place. So this is located in St. Joseph Indian High School ground, Vittal Malya Road in Bengaluru. It is opposite to UB City Kantirava Stadium. So you have to come inside gate number 3, and once you enter, they'll charge 50 rupees for your car parking. So there's no need to worry about car parking. They have lots of space. So the annual cake show will be held every year in Bengaluru in St. Joseph Indian High School. So many people come over here during this time. So this place is very special to my dad because this is the same school where he completed his schooling. So he was just looking around all his old memories. So this is one of the famous school in Bengaluru, which is St. Joseph Indian High School. So now let's go inside and check out what all they have done. So they have beautiful cakes done over here. So let's see one by one everything over here. So once you enter the place, you will find the stalls outside where you get bel puri, corn and everything. So this is just the entrance, and once you go inside the place, you will find so many stalls. So the annual cake show will be held from 18 December 2020 to 3rd January 2021. So make sure that you come visit this place during these days. So if you walk a little further, you will find the place where you have to take the ticket for the entrance. So the entrance ticket for the cake show for per person is rupees 90. So once you've taken the ticket, you have to enter through this way. So now let's go inside and check out what all they've done. And once you enter, you can see this banner called Welcome to the 46th Annual Cake Show. And once you enter, you can see this huge cake, which is the Lion King, and all of these people are trying to click pictures, but the place is too crowded, and the staff are making sure that all of these guys are wearing their mask, and also they have sanitized our hands and checked our temperature. And when people are trying to take some pictures, they take off their mask, but the security guards are not letting us to do it, so you have to put on your mask and take photos. So the cake show is organized by National Consumer Fair and Sugar Skull Bengaluru. The team has worked so hard for about 4 months to finish these beautiful cakes. So let's see what all they've done inside. So now let's go inside and explore the place. So this is how it looks when you enter the place. They have 2 sectors. So one you can go down and take pictures, and the other one is little higher. You have to stand up and then you can take pictures. So all the people are crowded downstairs. It's better to stand up and then go because of the safety measurements. So this is how you enter. This is the first cake. So once you enter the place, you will find the wedding cake, and then you will find the most famous cake, which is the coronavirus cake of 2020. And next they have this black wedding cake. So they have different cakes and they all are very huge. So next over here they have the bride in black. So over here, this is the birth of Jesus as it is Christmas. Next, they have the Doraemon. So over here, they have this beautiful cake which is Lord Nataraja. This is very beautiful over here. So I recommend you all to go visit the place at least once before it ends. So this is one of the beautiful places in Bengaluru. This is held only once in a year. So over here we have our childhood famous Tom and Jerry and Golden Dragon. So they also have the Leaning Tower, Dancing Clown, White Wedding Cake, Butterfly Wedding Cake, Forest Spirit, Harry Potter and many other cakes over here. And in the last towards your left you can see this beautiful Eiffel Tower. So here ends the 46th annual cake show. I hope you all love this cake show. So this is not the end, and once you come outside you will have a beautiful exhibition that will be coming soon in the part 2 of this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll meet you soon on the part 2. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.